market. All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new tool rolling cart. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, putting this together now, and honestly, it's not bad. Everything lines up how it should, which already puts it ahead of a lot of other ones. The metal feels thick, not flimsy. You can tell once you start tightening things down. I usually leave everything a little loose at first so nothing fights me later and tighten it all the way at the end. The drawers slide when it's easy. Just make sure they're straight or you'll feel it every time you open it. The wheels are metal and roll smooth. That's usually where cheaper carts cut corners, but this one feels solid. Once everything's tightened, it feels really sturdy. All right, and then once it's fully built, size-wise, it's a good middle ground, not huge, but you can actually fit a couple things on it without stacking everything. The top tray is nice for tools you're constantly grabbing. The middle tray, the drawer opens smooth and locks, which is nice if you don't want stuff sliding out. The sides have holes for hanging tools, which helps keep the top from turning into a disaster. You can push it around easily and it doesn't feel like it's gonna tip over. The cart is rated for up to 400 pounds. Even with heavier tools on the bottom, it still rolls smoothly and doesn't feel like it's twisting or struggling. All right, got some tools on it so you kind of get a feel for the size and how much you can actually put on here. And even on the sides here as well. Super handy little cart. It's got the handle here as well. And then the last thing I did just want to show was this part right here. As you can see, locked. Gonna mark it. It's the more items in here as well. But as you can see, this is what it looks like once you actually put some tools on here. I'm gonna give you an idea of how much you can actually store. Very, very cool cart. Super handy to have. Like I said, you're able to move it around. Got your handle back here. All right, and then just the last thing that I do want to show on here is, like I said, you can move this around. The wheels make it very easy to move it wherever you like. And then once you're done, just hit that brake. And it's got it on both sides. So that way you're good to go. And then, like I said, this part right here opens right up. If you got anything valuable, like I put my batteries in here, go ahead and just put that there. Lock it up with the key. Like that. And then you're good to go. So if you guys are looking for a new tool cart, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.